Guys, itong device na ito from Boya, which is the Boya Link, is perfect for content creators, be it professional or just getting started, dahil this one gives you professional audio solution. And by the way, I got this from JG Superstore, and ang ganda nito. I've been testing this one out for a couple of weeks already, and here are some specs na i-expect mo. Now, what's nice dito sa kanya is very small, very sleek siya, and very portable. And meron siyang charging case kasama, and USB Type-C na siya, so walang siyang hassle to charge. And you have dalawang microphone over here, which you can freely use. And what's nice in this kanya, hindi siya katulad na ibang brand. No. So this one, you can freely switch. Dahil meron siyang sa audio cable, pwede sa audio aux port, no, for DSLR, kung ayaw mo siyang gamitin, or you just detach, and pwede may kabit, kunwari, USB Type-C, no. So, ganun lang, ipa-plug in mo lang siya, plug and play lang siya, and ganun kasimple lang. Your transmitter is already on USB Type-C. Now, you can freely change it to iOS na Lightning port should you use a iPhone, and this one's already okay na para sa akin. So pwede mong i-switch between mono or stereo, but I suggest lagyan mo sa stereo. This is the power button, and these are your two microphones which you can attach to your collar. And yeah, honestly, I love the way it is. Sobrang yung nice, no? And I honestly highly recommend this one, si Boya Link, para sa mga startup na content creators or sa mga professional content creators. So guys, if you like this one, check the link on the description or sa yellow basket.